This is a Honda 185S monster bike that I'm building. So I took a three-wheeler and I cut the half where it had the two wheels on, and I made a jack shaft and a swing arm for it. So this is a 52 chain, and that's a 40 chain that goes to the sprocket. The 52 goes straight to the main sprocket. I have greaser holes in here. I'm gonna replace these bolts that are a little too long. I'm using pillow bearings in the back. I have the original hub that happens to be almost 1 inch, and so I only use a 1 inch drill to drill through it and made an axle. This is a stress-proof 1 inch rod that I use. I got my sprocket. It's welded right there. This brake assembly, I made a keyway for it, and I want to be able to remove this one if I ever need to. And I'm using what is this, a go-kart brake assembly that I have to weld into it yet. It has a full suspension. It needs to be finished welded yet. And in here I'm gonna have a hitch. Once I'm done with everything, I'm gonna put a 1 inch tube in here and make a hitch for the back. That's my temporary muffler because I don't have one. It didn't come with one. And I gotta finish welding everything and build a seat. But everything's good, everything's straight, and it seems to be running pretty good. So I'm gonna update video once I'm done with the brake and I got everything back together, and I'm gonna take it for a ride.